But today, for the first time ever, I'd like to let Macintosh speak for itself.
Hello, I'm Macintosh. It sure is great to finally get out of that bag. Question: how did the Albany Congress portend the American Revolution? Response: the Albany Congress of 1734 foreshadowed the American Revolution in several ways. It showcased early colonial unity, with representatives from various colonies coming together. Benjamin Franklin's Albany Plan planted the idea of colonial cooperation and self-governance, even though it wasn't adopted. This event set the stage for later debates about colonial autonomy and independence from British control, contributing to the revolutionary sentiments that would emerge in the years to come.